Good morning, this is Gary Bachman, host of Southern Gardening, and I'd like to share a message about the COVID-19 virus from MSU Extension. COVID-19 is a real disease, and it can cause serious illness and even death, even if you don't know anyone who has it. So here's some tips everyone should be practicing. Hand washing, 20 seconds, soap and water, sanitize surfaces, and practice social distancing. These really do work. Don't plan to participate in large groups more than 10. Work from home if you can, and stay home as much as possible when not working. Now, if you do need supplies from the grocery store, consider the grocery pickup or one of the personal shopping services available. Protect our elderly and our folks and our neighbors that have compromised immune systems. My mom and dad are in their 90s. They're holed up. I'm concerned about them because they're prime candidates. My sister and her husband both have compromised immune systems. They're candidates. We need to protect these folks. We need to take care of our neighbors. Check on everybody. And if folks need something, if you can provide it, share supplies and share resources. A little story that I've got. My daughter is a shipped personal shopper, and she had some elderly customers that ran out of toilet paper and bleach. And she shared what she had from her own household to help these folks out until the grocery stores can get back the supplies, replenished for everybody. One thing, the garden is not canceled and may be the perfect social distancing activity. You can go out, get exercise, sunshine, and fresh air from being cooped up in the house. And then remember, everybody loves memes on social media, but you can't trust the information that are being posted on memes. If you want good information, accurate information, contact MSU Extension. We're in all 82 counties, ready to serve you. Contact us by telephone, social media, and email. Hope everybody stays safe, practices some of these methods to ward off COVID-19, and we'll come out okay on the other side. Let's all work together.